Okay, transformation of curves. On this grid, we've been asked to transform this curve into f(x plus 2). Well, if you add 2 to the x directly, it will shove the curve 2 lumps in a negative x direction. So the whole curve shifts left by 2. Part B, we've got graph A here, and it's been reflected in the line y equals 0, and here's graph B. Well, it means that every positive value of graph A has been turned negative, and the zeros, of course, multiplying 0 by -1, they've not moved. So I can say that graph B must be equal to negative, graph A was g of x, this must be equal to negative g of x. And that was refreshingly easy.